Hello everyone. Welcome to Science in Grade 4. In science, we learn about penguin. Before we start, let me ask you some questions, please. How does a penguin feel cold in extreme cold climate? How can animals, plants, or humans survive in different places? How can polar bear survive in extreme cold? How can polar bear hide from predator or camouflage from predator? This is savanna forest. We will take in adaptation savanna forest, Amazon forest. Look at this. This is pole shark. We know all fish live in water. Okay, what happen if the fish doesn't live in water? It can survive or no? Can you tell me all the fish live in salt water? All fish live in fresh water or salt water? This learn it in science. This is Amazon forest. Panther chameleon live in Amazon forest. All these things help us to understand how can living organisms survive in different places. Look at this video. This video show how can human adapt in extreme cold climate. A girl wear a coat or jacket. All these things help you to survive in cold climate. In hot climate, we wear sunglasses, use an umbrella. All these is called adaptation. We learn about adaptation and survival in animals, in plants, in human. Look at this. Fish outside the water. Fish outside the water will die. We talk about in winter we have to wear heavy clothes. In summer we have to wear light clothes. Fish can't live outside water. All these things help us to understand how can living organisms like humans, animals, plants survive in different places. Look. Actually, we will talk about adaptation and survival. From this, can you tell me or can you understand what is meaning of adaptation? What is mean of adaptation? What is adaptation? Yes, adaptation in living organisms like human, animals, plants that can survival. Adaptation helps. What is this? Living organisms, animal, plants, humans. Living organisms can breathe, can eat, can drink, to survival, 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 or alive in different places. Reproduce, 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 or produce new members, produce new members, reproduce, reproduce, reproduce. Adaptation means help living organisms to survive and reproduce, and reproduce, and reproduce. Reproduce means produce new members. This is called adaptation. Let me show some videos, please. Look at this.
All right, here's a little song about birds' beaks and how. All right, here's a little song about birds' beaks and how they help them eat particular treats. It goes like this. I got a right beak to reach it, got the right beak to eat it, got the right beak to reach it, got the right beak. Would you like to catch a fish? Yeah, you might want a beak like this. A great big belly can scoop to get your batch of fresh fish soup. My beak is wide and it's deep inside. It's quite the innovation. If you need.
Yes, this is mean by adaptation. Adaptation that can help